Hi, my name is Jason, and I'm going to be reviewing today these Auxito LED headlight bulbs. I'm going to be showing you them in my 2014 Honda Odyssey. Okay, and here's a little bit more specifics about the light that I'm showing you here today. So the name is the Q16 50,000 hour operating life. The color temperature is 6,000 Kelvin. And it's one that you'll see in just a second. Looks almost exactly like the halogen bulb that comes with the car. Very easy to install, no extra hardware or anything like that. So when we open the box here, it comes with some gloves so that you don't touch and damage. My understanding is that's for the original halogen bulb. I don't think these LEDs are damaged by the oils from our skins, but like I said, it's got a connection right onto the bulb for where it connects to the car, and then the bulb there, and then this little sealing ring there. So really pretty straightforward, pretty simple here. I'll show you that process and then show you the brightness with the one versus the other, the sound of the fan, that sort of thing. So the other thing we want to do is make sure that this is turned to off. Mine was turned to auto. You don't need to disconnect the battery, but you just want to make sure that it's not turning on in the middle of you trying to do the install. So the one that I am changing is the low beam, the H11, which is going to be this outside bulb. Okay, so we're going to reach down here. So you're actually going to rotate it this way. So I'll try and do it this way so you can see it. We're going to rotate it. Thought I'd loosened it up. There we go, this way, and then pull it carefully out. I do not have much length on that hose there. And then let me see if I can get it to focus for you. You can see this little clip on the very back. We're going to push down on that and then pull the bulb out. And I'm probably going to need both hands for it. And then you don't really want to let go of this because it might fall down where it's hard to get to. Okay, went ahead and loosened this with two hands, but you can see that just pulls right out, and that is where the new light's going to slide onto. Carefully slide that out. We'll put it over here. Do be careful, you're working in fairly close proximity to the battery here, so be aware of those terminals and all of that. Let's see. So this part now is going to just click right into place, and you will hear it click. Now you don't want to put too much pressure on the fan here on the top, but we've got that clicked in, and then we're going to put it in the same way we took it out. So I'm going to angle it this way, get it slid into place. Sometimes we have to kind of play with it a little bit to finagle it in. There we go. I want to push it so that sealing ring is all the way in there. And then while we're still applying pressure, twist it, and I'll kind of yank on it to make sure that it's in all the way, because sometimes part of the ring will come out when you do that. Okay, one down, one to go. Now I'm going to put a link to the full install if you want to see how to put these in, at least with the Honda Odyssey. You can follow this link, which should be showing up at the top of your screen. If it's not, look in the description below. Okay, so here are the original halogen bulbs before we make the switch. So you can see the LED bulb on this side, quite bright. You can hear that little fan humming away. Oh, except it just turned off. Hang on. So there's the LED on that side, and pardon the messy garage, but here's the regular halogen on this side. So you can tell that's a cooler light, but also a brighter color there. There we go. Got both of those installed and purring. And there's absolutely no flicker, which is awesome. I hope this was helpful for you. I've been able to review Auxito bulbs before. I've been impressed with them. They seem like high quality. I've reviewed some other Chinese bulbs that I've not at all been impressed with, and so definitely can speak more highly of these than others. Obviously, only time will tell the durability and longevity of these bulbs, but so far they seem like a good product and haven't had any issues with the install. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate if you could like, comment, subscribe below for more helpful content. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I do read those and will do my best to get back to you there. Thanks.